मॉर्निंग अंकल। आरुषि, मयूरी की वर्कलोड कैसा है?
Good morning. This video turned way more realistic than I wanted it to be because there are construction noises in the back. I woke up 20 minutes before my stand-up call. On my good days, which is like 30% of the days, I wake up around 7 and do a lot more stuff, like I complete a lot more personal stuff before I start working. Aajkal I wake up 20 minutes before my call and I brush my teeth, take my call and then take a shower. My workload is a bit hectic today. जैसे ही मैं काम करना स्टार्ट करूँगी मेरे को बहुत सारे टास्क केटर करने हैं, बट इट्स ओके, इट्स ओनली ट्यूसडे, पूरा वीक पड़ा है to be sulky about it. I'm going to work for 30 minutes and then I'll have my breakfast. And I'm actually very excited about my breakfast because I made tiramisu oats. It's all over the shorts. My best friend tried it and she said it was really yummy. So I thought, okay, normal mundane weekdays, but these are the things that helps you survive. A good breakfast, a good lunch, making yourself a cup of coffee. I will meet you when I have my breakfast. Let's begin. Time for breakfast. खुल क्यों नहीं रहे? It looks yummy. I don't know if it is going to be yummy. It does not taste like tiramisu. I love the flavors of chocolate and coffee together, so I like it. I skipped on this one step where you have to add Greek yogurt and उसके ऊपर you have to sprinkle some cocoa powder. मेरे पास था नहीं Greek yogurt तो मैंने नहीं डाला, but I feel अगर मैंने वो किया होता तो ये लगता थोड़ा थोड़ा tiramisu जैसा.
Complicated? Yeah, no, that's exactly what he said to me.
We walk post breakfast, and it is ideal if you can have some weight in your hand. So I have Ashi. Shout out to this guy and this video. Because of this video I got my productivity, like work productivity, back. It's almost lunchtime and can you tell by my face that I've already given up? Because I have so much work and I'm legit drowning in work. Anyway, अभी मेरा 10 मिनट ब्रेक चल रहा है, then I will have my lunch. And I was supposed to have something healthy, something homemade for lunch. Some maintenance thing happened and we cannot use our gas today. So we ordered pizza. Can you tell by my face that I'm really bummed about not having something healthy? क्या मैंने कभी बात करी है कि मैं क्या काम करती हूँ? I don't think so. I think this is the first time. I work in a marketing agency. Do I like working here? Yes, I do. Because I am a homebody. Working from home for me is a big perk because अगर मैं सिंगल यूनिट की तरह काम कर रही होती हूँ ना, मैं बहुत अच्छे से काम करती हूँ. And working with the team is not my forte. Although I've been told that I'm a good leader, but maybe it's because I micromanage myself. I don't micromanage the people that I'm working with. I micromanage and take stuff on me and do things खुद से. It's been almost 2 years working in a corporate setting, but I wouldn't say this is like proper corporate. It's fun. my boss is really cool. So I don't hate my work. I actually enjoy working here, especially because I would actually not enjoy working with a single brand, because I think I would get bored of working on the same thing over and over again. Matlab, if you have one niche and you just constantly work on strategies or constantly work on content for that, I think for me it will get really boring. In an agency setting, you have different brands and तुम nicheified नहीं होते. I'm constantly working on sometimes F&B, then sometimes on some random brands. Some brands that I don't enjoy, like boring brands, steel company or iron. I don't know how to explain that. हाँ, okay. That also helps you grow. जो तुम नहीं भी enjoy करते हो, like if you work with a brand, for example, I love writing for skincare and I love content strategizing for skincare brand, and I work with this with my favorite skincare brand, for example. I think at one point I will get bored of it. There is a brand जिसका काम तुम enjoy करते हो, तो तुम बहुत ज़्यादा झक मार के उनका काम करते हो जिनका काम तुम्हें नहीं पसंद, and फिर उसके बाद जिनका काम तुम्हें पसंद है वो तुम करते हो creatively, and फिर तुम्हारा palette cleanse हो जाता है, which I think is a really cool thing. I do enjoy working in an agency setting. Like I said, my productivity levels were down the drain and I was not working productively. मैं बहुत ही खींच के बहुत ही ट्रैक कर के काम कर रही थी, but this video really helped me. It is like a 50-minute session and then 10 minutes break, and उस 10 minutes break में भी ना he's telling you to doodle or do stuff, because usually क्या होता है, you dedicatedly put 1 hour for this work and then you take a break, and that break was supposed to last for 10 minutes. तुम फोन या रील्स देखने लग गए तो इज गोइंग टू लास्ट फॉर 30 minutes, एंड दैट जस्ट हैम्पर्स द होल workflow thing. And the other thing that is really helping me with my productivity is I've deleted Instagram. It's been 2 weeks. Actually, I'm enjoying. I don't have a weird relationship with social media. Like if I want to spend hours and hours scrolling, I can do that. If I don't want to and just want to get rid of it, I can also do that. But sometimes you just need to be away from the noise. Okay? So when I'm not enjoying that, I just deactivate my account just to be away from the noise. Whenever I'm away from the noise for 1 or 2 weeks, I just see things clearly. I enjoy life. Even if I'm sad, like I'm sitting with my sadness, I'm not scrolling. Anyway, enough chit chat. Let's wait for the food and then we'll get back to work. चलो आज सबको बाय बोल दो. बोलो आरुषि का ब्रेक खत्म हो गया, अब बाय बाय. ये अभी 5 मिनट में वापस ब्रेक ले लेगी कॉफी के लिए, पर कोई बात नहीं. बाय. वेलकम टू माय किचन. लेट्स मेक कॉफी. फर्स्ट वी नीड गर्म पानी. वी नीड कॉफी एंड चम्मच. उसको गर्म होने देते हैं, वरना बहुत गीली ऐसे आवाज आती रहेगी पीछे. The pani is garam now. Then you take your glass. I actually wanted to make matcha, but for some reason matcha और coffee में same steps होते हैं, but I feel making matcha is a tedious task. I'm putting coffee in the cup. You can't see, but I'm telling you, so trust me. I will put this sweetener, monk fruit. Basically, I don't want to have sugar because my skin is breaking out weird तरीके से, जो बहुत टाइम से कभी नहीं हुआ है. I'm just replacing it with this. Then we put pani. Froth it. Then we add baraf. And then you add milk. मैंने इस मिल्क के अंदर ऑलरेडी पानी डाला हुआ है ताकि मुझे अलग से नहीं डालना पड़े. ओह ओके, गिरियो मत. That's how we make coffee. very original, very different from other people. And then you can't mix it. Mm. Mm. Froth tastes very weird. Loud in my coffee moment. वो स्वीटनर ज्यादा हो गया. चल जाएगा, ठीक है.
ब्रो आरुषि तुम्हारे लिए फूल लाई हो.
I just got done with work. It's almost 8 p.m. and I really wanted to watch TV, but after working for 7-8 hours on my laptop, I did not want to watch more screen. So I thought I will read. This is मोगरा. हमारे छत पे एक मोगरे का और एक चमेली का प्लांट है. तो मम्मी जब भी ऊपर पानी देने जाती है तो वो मेरे लिए एक फ्लावर ले आती है क्योंकि मुझे उसकी खुशबू बहुत पसंद है. Anyway, I just read this book. It's been 3 days. It's called The Vegetarian, and I'm going to put my flower in this book because I'm done with it. But I have mixed feelings about it. I think it was an important book, but I was not expecting it to be this dark because मैंने इसको सिर्फ इसके कवर की वजह से लिया था, which was very cutesy and इस पे flowers बने हुए थे. I was not expecting it to be so dark and deep. I think the book was important. I needed to read it, but I was not expecting it to be what it was because I literally judged it from the cover. Anyway, I'm in the mood of rereading some of my favorite books. So I was thinking of rereading some Sally Rooney book, but I thought after this I need something fast-paced and fun to read. So I have 2 picks. I have to choose from. One is Malibu Rising. The other one is The Unhoneymooners. You can reread a book and जब मैं पढ़ रही होंगी तो मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा याद आता रहेगा, but I would never like fully remember, so I can kind of enjoy it for the first time again. I want to pick from these two because these two, they are very summary, like even color wise they are very summary. I kind of remember reading this book and मुझे थोड़ी थोड़ी story याद है. इसका trope is enemies to lovers and it is forced proximity, and I think I remember it. Like they were pretending to be married in Hawaii. There was some chemistry and they were the only 2 people जिनको food poisoning नहीं होती, and the whole trip is already paid for, so they had to go. वहाँ पे I think उनको कोई उसकी ex girlfriend भी होती है, पता नहीं कुछ तो होता है, मतलब मुझे याद है थोड़ी थोड़ी है. Malibu Rising, I know it is about some party, beachside party. I also know कि ये पूरी book एक रात की कहानी है. मुझे बस इतना याद है, मुझे इसकी स्पेसिफिक्स नहीं याद. I think this one it is. Let's read Malibu Rising.
बिल्लू मारो इसको बिल्लू.
पागल है क्या? अगर तुम हमारे साथ काम कर, देखो ऐसे काम कर.
Glad it worked out. We should get going too.
I may not have much to compare the kiss to as of yet,